Hey team, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of March 22. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which country has topped the World Happiness Report 2021? So the answer is option C, Finland. So Finland has topped the World Happiness Report 2021 and Finland has topped the World Happiness Report for the fourth consecutive year. So it has topped the report for fourth consecutive year. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, what is the theme of the International Day of Forest 2021? So the answer is option D, forest restoration, a path to recovery and well-being. And we celebrate the International Day of Forest on 21st of March. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, the World Day of Theatre for Children and Young People is celebrated on which date? So the answer is option C, March 20. So we celebrate the World Day of Theatre for Children and Young People on March 20. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, the International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination is observed annually on which date? So the answer is option C, 21st of March. So the International Day for Elimination of Racial Discrimination is celebrated on 21st of March. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, the CRPF observed which anniversary on 19th March 2021? So the answer is option A, 82. So the CRPF marked the 82nd anniversary on 19th March 2021. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, the World Puppetry Day is celebrated on which date of the year? So the answer is option B, March 21. So we celebrate the World Puppetry Day on March 21. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, who has become the first Indian paddler to qualify for the Tokyo Olympic Games? So the answer is option C, Sharad Kamal. So Sharad Kamal is the first Indian paddler to qualify for Tokyo Olympic Games and he has overtook Pakistan's Muhammad Ramiz at the Asian Olympic Qualification Tournament held in Doha. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, what is India's place based on the world's most dangerous road report? So the answer is option B, fourth. So India has secured fourth place on the world's most dangerous roads report and South Africa has been ranked as the world's most dangerous country to drive. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, what is the rank of India in the UN World Happiness Report 2021 among the 149 countries? So the answer is option A, 139. So India has secured 139th rank in the UN World Happiness Report 2021 among 149 countries and Finland has topped the report. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, Divyansh Singh Panwar has won a medal for India in international competition. He is associated with which event? So the answer is option A, shooting. So Divyansh Singh Panwar is associated with shooting and he is the world number 1 in men's 10-meter air rifle. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, the World Down Syndrome Day is marked on which date annually? So the answer is option B, 21st of March. So the World Down Syndrome Day is marked on 21st of March and the theme of the World Down Syndrome Day is We Connect So That We Can. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, which state has launched the Samar campaign to tackle malnutrition in the state? So the answer is option C, Jharkhand. So Jharkhand has launched the Samar campaign to tackle malnutrition in state and the full form of Samar is Strategic Action for Alleviation of Malnutrition and Anemia Reduction. So the full form of SAMARG is Strategic Action for Alleviation of Malnutrition and Anemia Reduction. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, which state has declared as a model state for Vandan Vikas Yojana? So the answer is option D, Manipur. So Manipur has been declared as a model state for Vandan Vikas Yojana. Vandan Vikas Yojana is a program for value addition, branding and marketing of minor forest producers to facilitate creation of sustainable livelihoods for the forest based tribes. So then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, on which date is the International Day of Forest being celebrated? So the answer is option B, March 21. So we celebrate the International Day of Forest is on March 21 and the theme of the International Day of Forest is Forest Restoration, a path to recovery and well-being. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, on which date the World Poetry Day is being observed? So the answer is option A, 21st March. So we celebrate the World Poetry Day on 21st of March. So that's it, we are done for the day and thank you for watching our video, and if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below because it means a lot to us. And if you have any queries, please feel free to ask us either in the comment section below or you could also contact us in Facebook and Instagram. And meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.